Annyeonghaseyo, Chaedamin, D Shanda, Ipnida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with an unboxing for you. And today I will be unboxing my BoxyCharm for April 2018. I will leave all the information down below about BoxyCharm. Let's go ahead and get started. BoxyCharm is a $21 a month makeup beauty subscription box. This is my 4th month getting this box. I've been getting this box since January of 2018. And this is my first time unboxing it on my channel. I didn't unbox the last 3 on my channel. Sorry about that. But I decided to go ahead and do this one because this is one that I get and this is one that I really, really like. I am very late on the BoxyCharm train. Very late because BoxyCharm has been around for a long time. It's a very good box, and a lot of people love it, and I see why everybody loves it, because it really is good. It really is. So this subscription ain't going nowhere at all. You can pay for this subscription either every month, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every year. And with any other subscription, just like any other subscription, the longer you pay for it, the cheaper it is in the long run. So it's better to go for the long run, in my opinion. So, let's see. Oh, when I did subscribe to BoxyCharm in January, I subscribed January the 2nd. I was on a wait list. And I was on the wait list for 7 days. So on my birthday is January 11th, I got an email saying I was off the wait list. So I wasn't on the wait list long at all. Every now and then they will open up their wait list. I know they opened up their wait list recently. So if you want to subscribe with no waiting, you can go ahead and do so. I'm not sure if that option is still available now at the time of this video. Go to the website and check it out. Like I said, information down below in the description. It's still sealed. I haven't opened it, so let's go ahead and open it and see. I do know about one thing that I might be getting, and that is a palette from ColourPop. So we'll see what happens this month. All right, so this month we have the card, and that's what it looks like there. I got a coupon back here about 10% off Tarte on the other side. This is the theme. The theme is eye candy. And this here tells you what is in the box for this month. So let me go ahead and check this out. All right, so I have a high definition liquid lipstick from Adis. Adis, I believe that's how you pronounce that. That's what that looks like there. Adis. Their price is on here too. The price is worth $24, and it's also sealed. I got my scissors here. Let's see if I can slit this open without hurting myself. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. You can open this up. Hold on a second. You can open this up. I just did a unboxing of my bark box, and you probably see Romeo's little head because he think this is something for him. He think everything for him. He is spoiled, rotten to the core, and I did it to him. I did. But while I'm trying to get this open, have y'all been watching Coachella? Coachella is fire. Beyonce killed it. Beyonce killed it. Oh my goodness. I watched it. She gave y'all a 2-hour basically concert. It was awesome from beginning to end. But Coachella is fire anyway. I love Coachella. It's so diverse and I want to go. It's out there in California in the desert, so it's hot as hell out there, like 106 degrees. But I think it's worth it because you guys, some of you may or may not know, I'm a stickler for diversity. And the crowd at Coachella is very diverse. So there's all kinds of people, all different ages, races, colors, creeds, all of that. And there are people that come from like overseas to come to California to come to Coachella. But not only is the crowd diverse, but the music is diverse, and there's something for everybody. Like if you like rap, if you like hip hop, if you like R&B, EDM and dance, if you like rock, if you like whatever, there is all kinds of genres there for you, and the music is very diverse. The musicians are very diverse. So cool. But anyway, I digress. Coachella's fire. It comes on this weekend too. If you're not watching it, check it out. Okay, anyway, Adis, back to the unboxing. I had to go ranting very right quick. This is my high definition lipstick. It's a nude color, as you can see. Y'all know I don't do swatches. Just something to... But, ooh, kind of smells like caramel. But that's what it looks like. It's like a brown color. Very, very pretty. I would put some on now, but I'm already wearing something on my lips. Does it tell me the color? What color are you? It doesn't tell me the color on the box. So I don't know what color this is, guys. Let's see if the little card will tell me what color you are. Nope, but it's a liquid lipstick. It looks like a gloss. And it's cruelty free. And that's cool. So, hey, it's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. The next thing I got is the Brow Gal. This is a tinted brow gel with microfibers. And I got brown hair number 2. That's what that looks like there. Sweet. It's sealed. I'm not going to open this though. I'm going to keep that sealed because I have a brow gel that I'm using and I don't want that to dry out. Next thing I see in here is Dr. Brandt's. This is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. This is awesome. I like Dr. Brandt's products. They're very expensive. I'm going to tell you that right now. But they're amazing. Dr. Brandt is an amazing brand. And by the way, that Brow Gal is $22. Dr. Brandt's, this right here is $47. $47, okay? So, yeah, this is, happy to get anything Dr. Brandt. Also, hey, I got from Tarte, the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Your girl loves highlighters, honey. That's what that looks like right there. Whoopsie. How about that there? Looks like that there. This is worth $29. I could have got one of, there's 3 here. I could have got one of 3 colors. And the color that I got is Exposed. Right there. Exposed. Let's see here what this looks like. That's what it looks like there. Y'all know I don't swatch stuff though. Y'all know I don't swatch stuff, but this is what I'm gonna assume this is like maybe a gold color, which is really cool. I love highlighters, but I don't swatch. I'm so sorry, y'all. But that's what that is. And then last but not least, I got a palette, and that's the variation this month. Everybody was going to get a different palette, and this is the palette that I got. Was the semi-precious palette, all right? This is the palette that I got, which I personally really, really love because I have the semi-precious palette already. See? Whoops, let me turn it the right way. See, I have 2. This is my new one. This is my old one. Let me show you what this palette looks like. I'm not going to open up my new one. But the odds of me getting the same doggone palette that I purchased. Ugh. But I love it though. This is the semi-precious palette. Those are the colors that are in there. And I use this palette. I just got this in January for my birthday. I got it from Sephora. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And these are the colors. Can you see that? That are on the back there. But yeah, so now I've got a backup. I've got a dupe. I'm happy with that dupe. I don't mind it. But I would have loved to have gotten a different palette. Either the one with My Little Pony or either the Golden State of Mind palette maybe. But you know what? It's all good though. Like I tell my students, you get what you get and you don't have a fit. All right, recap, y'all. I got the semi-precious palette from ColourPop, which is sweet. I've got the Adis high definition liquid lipstick that I will probably wear tomorrow. I don't know the color, but it's a nude color, so it's an everyday color for me. I got the Brow Gal Instant Brow Hair number 2 is the color with microfibers. Like I said, this here is sealed. I've heard of this company on Instagram, actually. I'm like, where did I hear? This company's on Instagram. That's where I heard them from. This is the vacuum cleaner by Dr. Brandt. This is the Pores No More. Awesome. And I also got from Tarte, the Tarteist Pro Glow in Exposed, the highlighter, the liquid highlighter. And yeah, that's everything in this month's BoxyCharm. The theme was eye candy. Bam, right there. All right, so am I happy with this? Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm always happy with it. Everything that I get in my BoxyCharm, I use, and yeah, it's an awesome subscription. Like I said, this box ain't going nowhere. Let me know if you get BoxyCharm, and if you do, what did you get in your box? Because every box is different. Some people got like a MAC lipstick in their box. Some people got some brushes. Let me look at the thing really quick. Okay, so just in case you're wondering, everyone, I got variation number 3, which is there in the corner. See that 3? I got variation box number 3. I don't know how many variations there are. There's several variations of this box. And that's one thing I kind of like about BoxyCharm, is that you don't know what you're going to get. You're going to get something different from everybody else. So that's cool. But I also heard from another YouTuber that, you know, there are like trade groups on Facebook. If there's something in your box that you don't want, or something that you wanted, you can trade with other people, you know, on Facebook. I'm not a member of any of those groups as of yet, but I might go over there and check it out just to see what's up. All right, guys. Let me stop rambling. That's everything. Comment down below. Let me know what you got in your box for this month. Again, I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. When I get there, there will be a giveaway. I will let you know what that is once I reach that milestone. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Thank you to my new and my old subscribers. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나